Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be doing a challenge, and it's going to be Do I Know My Own Makeup Challenge. So basically what this is, she picked makeup for me. I don't know what she picked, and I'm going to be touching it, smelling it, blindfolded, and I have to guess what brand it is and the shade. So hopefully I know. So if you want to see this challenge, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also turn on that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos, and please give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to be blindfolding my eyes. And oh, I have lashes. Okay. Oh my god, feels so weird. Wait, does it go like this? It goes like this, right? Okay.
No cheating.
No. Oh. Okay, so
so that you can see.
I have my eyes closed anyways because of the lashes.
Okay.
So we're gonna start. You're gonna show them the product, and then you're gonna give it to me.
Okay. I can
So
do
the first thing,
whatever I want, right?
whatever you want, give it to me. Come on, I can do this.
Okay, here you go.
Oh, I know. This is a Too Faced blush with the bronzer, and it's what is it called? Is it Sweetheart? No.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! So one right.
But you said it was a bronze with a blush. It's
It
this
is.
perfect flush blush.
Yeah, but it has bronzer on it because it's like a pinkish with like brown.
Okay, we'll give it away. The heart.
Hmm.
She has a lot of makeup, y'all. So
Did you show it to them so they can see what it is?
yes, let's see if she knows this one. Here you go.
Oh, what the hell? Wait, this is... Okay, I got this at TJ Maxx because it was for Halloween. I was going to use this for Halloween. It's one of those holographic, like, highlighter thingies that you twist. I don't know the brand because it was from TJ Maxx. But it's one of those, like, thingies. But it's, like, holographic.
So it is. This is a Jackie and Lauren cosmetic holographic highlighter. I really didn't think she was going to know that one, guys.
I bought it at TJ Maxx, but it did not work. It is not pigmented at all, so I do not use it.
Okay, let's try this one.
Ooh. Wait, I know what this is. Okay, this is the Too Faced Melted Lip Paint or Lipstick, and it's in the shade Chihuahua?
No.
No. But it is a Too Faced
Yeah.
lipstick, right?
How can... Okay, out of all the shades that you have, why did you choose Chihuahua?
It's not Chihuahua?
No.
Okay, because there's one named Chihuahua. Wait, oh, Peony?
Yep.
Okay, yes.
Melted Peony. Alright. Next. Oops.
Oh, wait. This is a foundation.
Uh-huh.
And it's the Milani foundation. And the shade Warm Beige is in the front.
Warm beige. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm shocked.
Okay, next one. Wait, you got a brush?
You said I could get whatever I want.
Makeup! This is a
You said whatever I wanted.
This is from Morphe. I don't know the number. It's an M something.
How do you know it was a Morphe brush and not one of the other ones?
Because I may have Morphe brushes.
Oh. She cheated, guys. Just saying. Okay.
So next thing, what is it? What is it?
Okay. Like when you say makeup, it's anything that you use for your makeup, right? Here you go.
Okay. Oh. Wait. Where did you get this from?
From your makeup.
I need to touch it. Okay. This is a glitter liner?
No.
Wait, what the hell is the thing? It's not an eyeliner.
No.
I don't have anything. Oh, lash glue. I can feel it. This is the dual lash glue.
Uh-huh.
Is it the black one?
No.
The white one? Okay, it was glue.
Wow, guys, we almost had her. Almost.
Like it's getting stuck to my fingers.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Ooh, a palette. Oh. This is the Too Faced Peach palette. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Great job. I didn't even smell it and you knew. Yeah.
This is a highlighter, Maybelline highlighter. The Master highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold, maybe?
Molten Gold.
Molten Gold or Molten Rose Gold. I mean, I have both, so. But it was the Maybelline, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
What I don't get is how you can guess the color. Like, how? Okay. Hold on. I'm showing them.
These are my lashes.
She's wearing them, guys. So
Yes,
they're her lashes.
So. Oh. Okay, this is small. Oh, the Anastasia highlighter. The Amrezy highlighter.
Uh-huh.
Another one? Okay. This is my brow definer.
Which one?
Oh. The Anastasia.
Okay.
Is this new?
It was in your makeup.
This is yeah, this is the Benefit, the roller lash with the high beam highlighter. Yes?
Man, yep. Superstar Steel. Here you go. Oh,
This is a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick.
what is it called?
Dose of Colors.
What's the color?
I have a bunch of them, so did you get...
You're the one that wanted to guess the color.
Did you get... oh my god. Wait, did you get... I don't know. It's not Campfire, right?
Yes! How would you... Dude, wow. Okay. I don't think she's cheating, but...
Because Campfire is a little bit more like a burnt orangey kind of darkish, and you like more like rosy ones, so I wasn't sure.
It's not orangey.
It's like a burnt, like terracotta.
And they're like what colors?
Orangey, like the pinkish mauve-ish ones. Oh, okay. So, let's see. What the hell? Okay, this is... Is this a lip crayon?
Mm-hmm.
Bite Beauty?
What do you mean by beauty? Is that the color of it?
Bite. No, the brand. Bite Beauty?
No.
It's not Bite Beauty?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, and it's technically not a lip crayon. It says lip pencil.
Well,
But
really?
it does look like a crayon.
Is it from NARS?
Are you guessing or are you telling me?
Yeah, it's a NARS.
Yes.
Okay, then it's the shade. No, I don't know the shade. I really don't use it.
Dude, you don't. I know it's brand new. Okay.
Next one. Oh my god. What is this? What the hell? Oh. I'm not dropping it, right? This is the Tarte Brow Gel and the shade, is it medium brown?
It just says brown.
Oh, okay.
Medium brown. Okay, you ready? Okay. There you go.
Oh. This is my Laura Mercier translucent powder.
Oh.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
You make it like it's so easy.
Like, oh.
I know, like, oh.
My Smashbox?
What Smashbox?
My water primer? And this is a new one with the ones with the little flowers.
How do you know? Did you see me get them?
No, but it's new, so I know I had it new.
How do you know this one's new?
Because I know it's new because I just bought it.
No, how did you know it was a new one?
Okay, this one is a dual-ended, so this is the Revlon. It has a glitter thingy, like eyeshadows, but one side is glitter and the other one is like a shadow.
Okay, are you guys just about as shocked as I am? Because I just don't know how she's doing it.
Have I missed anything?
One, almost. The glue.
Oh. Okay. Did you pick any eyeshadow palettes?
Yes.
Okay. This is by the touch of it, and it's almost like, you know, Maybelline Master Prime Primer. The Blur and Smooth.
No.
It's not the Blur and Smooth one. The Redness Control.
No.
But it's not the Maybelline one.
No.
What? My pore minimizer
Yep.
from Smashbox.
Yep.
My nose is itching.
Okay, that counts as a miss, guys.
Yes, because I didn't get it the first time. It's because they have the same type. Really? The Anastasia Sultry palette. Darn it. It's glittery.
Okay. Next.
More lash glue.
No.
No, this is the glitter. The NYX glitters. Is it the silver one?
Yes. I really don't know how she's doing it.
Ooh. Oh. The Anastasia Glow Kit.
Okay. You gotta get at least one more, guys.
How many sticks do you have left?
Technically, only 2.
Okay, we're almost done.
Well, now 3, because I added one.
This one is... So my Morphe bronzer?
No.
It's not by Morphe?
No.
Really? Really? Why do I have it up? Why I missed it already then? my ColourPop pressed powder.
Yes. Yep, that's what it is.
Okay, this might be a mascara. It's gonna be hard because all the mascaras look like this. Oh, maybe by the wand. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise? No?
Yes. Which one? The one that reminds of
The Too Faced one?
Okay, this
One
is
more?
supposed to be the last one. Okay, I'm gonna change it, guys, because she's been guessing them anyway. So, well, okay, let's do this. See if she knows it.
The Morphe Continuing Setting Spray.
Okay, can we do 2 more?
Yes.
Okay, this one and then
You only got one palette?
here. I got 2. I had given you the peach one. Fine, I'll keep adding to it.
This one is the Bronzer, the Morphe Bronzer.
Oh, yeah.
The Mario Badescu setting spray. And the rose scent. The rose water one. Yes?
Yes.
Oh, this one's like not even heavy. So this must be the Carly Bydel palette.
Oh
Yes?
my gosh, you make it. You know what? One more.
You want me to get them wrong?
Oh, well, hello. You have so much makeup. How do you
Okay,
do it all?
this is an Anastasia one, but to guess which one because
She has them all.
a ver. This one is the Soft Glam.
What's that? Where do I know if it's the soft plum?
Well, the name of it.
Oh, no.
The sub-
Really? Can't you just like touch the name or no?
is it the Subculture one?
No.
Norvina.
See.
Really? It seemed like a bunch of letters, so I missed it.
It seemed like a bunch of
So
Good
is
job.
that
Take
it?
off your thing. Yeah, you're done.
Ah, my eyelashes are stuck.
I added a lot of stuff and she still guessed like 90% of them or more.
Okay, so how many stuff would you say that I missed? 3?
Like 3.
The glue, this one,
Uh-huh.
the
The
palette.
palette.
That's about it, right? Or maybe?
No. Did you miss one more thing? Hold on. Oh. Well, I mean, eventually you guess the color.
No, I said campfire.
After you're like, it's not campfire. And
I said
like,
it can be
Yes.
campfire. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe we should do one later on where you guess the makeup.
I'll never guess, you guys. Hey, but these videos are way better than that other one that you want us to do. What is it like?
What's in my mouth challenge? We are going to be doing that one pretty soon. So this is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up once again. And please make sure you follow me on my social media. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.